Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Doris Etito. If you are visiting my channel for the very first time, you are graciously welcome to the channel. Please do well to give this video a like, do well to leave a comment in the comment section, feel free to share this video, and please make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm at my son's school for their graduation party, though it's not one of the graduates, but okay, we're having a party here and we are sure going to have a good time, so please sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the video.
From our English diction instructor, Mr. Jonathan, we have been taught many things. Today, we want to showcase some of the things we have learned. Let's go to the barber salon. We say, let's go to the barber shop.
Oh! What are they learning? I want to go cut my hair for that barber shop.
We say our dress is wrap. We say our dress is rumple.
It's rumple. Rumple.
We don't say tell the gateman to open the gate. We say tell the gatekeeper to open the gate.
Just the keeper, that be the difference.
We don't say we don't say my mother bought me a canvas shoe. We say my mother bought me a tennis shoe.
Tennis.
Coconut. We say coconut.
I thought it's coconut.
We are here to showcase our culture. Thank you.
Oh yeah, you speak English. People. Everybody hide your cutlass.
Hello, good morning. How you all doing? So good to see your pretty faces. It's Saturday and it's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day the Lord has made. We are rejoicing, we are glad in it. I'll go and get plants today, and I'll go to the market. I need to get some items to make food. My husband is having craving for a particular kind of food, so I'll go to the market. I'll get items for that particular food, and I might also get some other items that I will need, and just maybe I might also go to Gemstone supermarket. Gemstone is along Airport Road in Warri. But before I go out, I'll do my house chores, I'll do laundry, have breakfast, and then I'll go out. Rugere is still sleeping. I woke up before him. Alright, so let's get into the day. Our eyes are used for seeing. Our ears are used for hearing. Our ears are used for hearing. Touch mommy eye. Our eyes are used for seeing. Touch my nose. Nose. Our nose is used for smelling and breathing. Touch my mouth. Our mouth is used for talking and our mouth is used for talking and eating. Our mouth is used for talking and eating.
How late is it like? You ever did it?
You are alive.
You ever did it?
Look at my phone, it's sitting there.
Live.
Yes.
YouTube Mona help me. Now die I do. Now die I do. Mona help me. My wife. Only YouTube then she the video house. I'm not eating since yesterday.
See.
I'm not eating in this house.
Can you imagine? My husband just returned from work. He's saying that he did not eat yesterday.
A whole full married man.
He did not eat.
I ate Indomie that I prepared. My wife, in fact.
Don't pay attention to him. So I just went out of the house to get bread, egg, tomato and pepper so I can make quick breakfast. Okay. Yes.
Daddy. It's a bed. Yes.
Now the bread.
Yes.
I made the breakfast too.
Yes.
No more complaints.
Right?
What?
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon.
This one feed inside house. This one. Golden palm.
As in that they don't almost buy food.
Okay.
I hear the food before.
So this one can it chases snake.
You miss them. This color, this color.
Okay, this one and that one are the same.
Yes.
What be this one name again? Like you tell me before. Lily. You can stay there.
Sorry.
Why is the baby crying?
Why is the baby crying? Is it the mommy?
No, not mommy.
Say mommy, kiss kiss.
I think I'm done. I'm done.
Love you.
Where's the calculator?
I love you.
See them. They are just chilling. Hey. Hey guys, we are transplanting the plants we bought yesterday. Yesterday I did tell you that my husband he said he wants to eat a particular kind of food, that is craving a particular kind of food. Today I made that meal for him. I've been busy cooking. Let me show you the meal I made. Tara. Okay, so I made fried rice, some fried chicken, and vegetable salad. Hey guys, come and join us to enjoy this meal. Guys, the rice is so delicious, yummy. Can you see what Etito is doing? Can you see what he's doing? He's just faking. He's just faking cry. Can you see him? You won't let me eat this food in peace. Eat. You don't want to eat. I don't understand this one. No. He's just seeking attention. Like yes. You don't eat, will not let me eat.
I mean,
Yeah?